block of wood. This is just a scrap block of wood, and we're going to paint it white with some chalk paint, 2 coats. Now, I forgot to sand the sides, edges. If you'd like and you prefer that look, do sand the edges after painting to give it that little rustic look. I was in a hurry to remake this because I had made it and lost all my footage for whatever reason. My update on my phone corrupted all my videos. It was horrible. So I remade this for you all special. So take whatever type and color of paint you like or you want your bunny to be and give it 2 coats of paint and rough it up a little bit. I've chosen white, and my first bunny was antique white. And this cute little set of bunny ears from the Dollar Tree is perfect. I just cut them off with a pair of wire cutters, if you see here, and then just removed the full headband. Just cut the little ears right off. After that, we're going to remove all the plastic. Be gentle and just peel it off. They're just barely glued inside with some hot glue. But if you gently pull out the little plastic pieces, you have little bunny ears. Now we are going to take some, these are not chenille stems, but they'll do. Bend them into the shape of your bunny ear and twist the bottom here. After you get that nice and shaped like a bunny ear, better than what I've done here, and stuff them into your little bunny ears. Ta-da! Now we pull a rabbit out of our hat. You do the other one. And now you got 2 bunny ears. Now this is the little heart nose from a wood set. And yes, it does look like a spider, but how we make it look like a spider is taking some of this floral wire from the Dollar Tree, and you cut off a length. Now I use some jeweler's pliers here to turn a little loop so that the sharp end is not on the outside. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers and take a pen or a pencil and just wrap it around and make a nice spoolie. And you're going to make 3 of those and mash them flat, and those are going to be your whiskers after you glue them to the back of your little heart. Now I had painted this before, peeling off all the tape here. Now what you're going to do is paint your nose a solid color that's going to match your cheeks. And I'm using this cameo pink, not Camaro, okay? Now I painted my nose in this cameo pink and went around the outside with some black and white. Now I made my little cheeks all hashy. You can make them round or square. And after you get that painted on there, I just did a little touch up here on my nose. Okay. After you do that and it's dry, go around it with your white chalk marker or your black chalk marker, or both, as I've done here. Now I'm going to take some of the white chalk paint and I'm going to make some little hash marks through the cheeks to kind of, I don't know, lighten them up. It just looks really cute. Now I've listed the name of the lady who made this that inspired me. I believe her name, I don't want to say her name because I can't remember it. It is down in the bottom. I want to say it's Tracy. But it was so cute, and you need to check out her video. I'm going to have that linked below as well. Now let's take our little nose. It's just one of those little wood pieces from the Dollar Tree out of that big bag full of different shapes. And we're going to glue it down in between your little cheeks. And this is our nose and whiskers. And we're going to take our bistro chalk marker in black and make his little lips and two little eyes. Just two little ovals that are right in the center and touch each other. And some little eyebrows, and just do a few little tweaks out to the side and you've got some eyelashes. Cuteness. Now he's ready for his ears. Take your little plastic ears and twist them together, glue a little bit there if it needs some glue. Be very careful with hot glue. I don't think I need to tell anyone who uses hot glue to be careful with hot glue. I've burnt my fingers enough times to know to wear the little silicone fingers. But as you see here, I'm not wearing them. Do as I say, not as I do. Where have we heard that before? Now after you get these adjusted just so, glue them on top of your block wherever you want, to the side, in the middle. I wanted mine in the middle here because I'm going to add the flower of the month, some daffodils. After, I make a little bow to put in between his little ears. I'm going to put a few little highlights in his eyes. You just make a little curve like a backward C to make highlights in his little eyeballs. Make any touch-ups you'd like. Now I found a bunch of these ribbons at the Dollar Tree and I just thought they were too cute. Some twine, white ribbon. Here's a little bit of cream colors just to tie in all the pretty light pastel colors. Now lay one out straight, and I decided to change my mind here. I want to add some of this. So I'm going to do the same as I did to the whiskers here and turn a little piece at the end and then twist it around into a big spiral until I get it as long as I'd like. Here. And then clip it off the end and spiral it. Now one hash out and all the rest at the same, and then you tie it in a little granny knot and glue it there in between your ears. That will hide any little rough spots. And then add your flowers. And she's just as cute as she can be, or he. And I wanted to put him to the side. You can put him in the middle with your bow, or don't add flowers at all, but I just had to put these little flowers on to make her super cute. And just adjust your little ears. They bend, so you can make one floppy if you want, or straight. And there she is. So cute.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.